Good afternoon. I'm Tim Levett and I'm standing in my garden in my house on the Isle of Wight. We have a high usage of electricity. We're heating a large Victorian house which doesn't have a high EPC rating, and we also have an indoor swimming pool. I've installed 40 kilowatt hour storage and a 10 kilowatt inverter to cover most of our consumption during the day. Before switching to capture and installing the batteries and inverters, we were spending £300 a month on average electricity. And post installing the batteries, this has come down to £100 a month. We're on the British Gas Electric Driver tariff, on which we can import electricity in the off-peak period at 7p per kilowatt hour and then discharge it during the day for use in the house. I have an app from Capture which monitors how much electricity is being stored in the battery and then how it is being used. What's next for us? We are considering now switching suppliers in order that we can export electricity at periods when our storage exceeds our usage. I would strongly recommend Capture to anybody considering electricity storage. Their app is very helpful, it's very efficient, it takes the weight off my mind that this is all being managed remotely.